What is wrong, guys? Like this whole sort of like they call it like Trump derangement syndrome, and I don't, you don't realize how real this is until like you can't reason with people. So like I was at a friend's birthday party in LA, just a birthday dinner, and everything was like a nice, quiet dinner, and everyone was behaving normally. And then I happened to mention, this is before the election, like a month or two before, I happened to mention the president's name. And it was like they got shot with a dart in the jugular that contained like methamphetamine and rabies, okay? And they're like, wow! And I'm like, what is wrong? Guys, like, you can't have like a normal conversation. Yeah. And it's like, it's like they become completely irrational. This whole sort of like, they call it like Trump derangement syndrome. And I don't, you don't realize how real this is until
Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto, undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
Good morning. What's going on? Otter gang, 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 gang. I smell hopium. I see you. You're buying the top. What's going on, everybody? Hopefully you're having a wonderful morning. You got your coffee. You're double watching me and Crypto Face at the same time. And you're ready to trade. Like every morning. It's good to see you guys. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day. Fear and Greed's at 47. 47. Pretty wild. And if you were around last night, Billy Goat Tales, we may need to give up swearing. Like after that, after that beautiful interview, the fireside chat with Billy, I may have to limit myself to like 2 swear words a live stream now. I think moderation is key. I don't know if I can fully cut it out. I'm inspired though to not say fuck. Let's leave it at that. I had to go there, man. I had to go there. Oh, what's going on, everybody? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Bitcoin, a little ripper to the upside. We got a little balloon dog pattern here coming down, a little double bottom bull flag poppy to the moony. Pretty nice, pretty nice. We did say to the beautiful Discord yesterday that if we get this swing failure pattern, you long that biatch. Anybody in the Discord memberships long that thing? I told you guys, if we SFP, you long that thing. Let me know if you long that thing, if you are a part of the membership. I told you guys, if we SFP this thing, we long in it, okay? We long that. And I swore. I'm trying not to swear now, all of a sudden. Do I have to start the swear jar again? We have the swear jar. It's a bit outdated, okay? Okay, we're going to have to take this. I'm allowed 2 swears a stream, okay? I'm going to start it off at $25. I'm allowed 2 swears a stream. I've already said fuck now twice. So if I swear again, I'm in trouble, okay? We're actually going to do it, okay? We're actually going to try. But if someone comes in here and starts trolling me, the swear jar is out the window, okay? Can we shake on that one? I'll try to be better. But if someone comes into my house and starts dissing me, I'm going to let them know. I'm going to drop the bombs on them. D's in the eye and stuff like that, you know? Can we agree on that at least? Billy, someone come in your house and they start cussing you up. What are you going to do about it? You're going to politely ask them to leave. I bet you he said that. I bet you Billy's like, just going to, suggest that he can leave. You're no longer welcome in my household. I bet you Billy all calm with it. I'd be getting my 22-ounce hammer and chasing him down the street. Jesse, good luck. What's going on? Rashad, good morning. Massey, 33, what's going on? Good morning to you. Jeffrey Stone Cipher. Crypto Caveman Zeno with the pink hand. Good morning to you. Forget about it. Let's go. Buck Slickback. Fine. Good morning. Good morning to you, Lotmo Crypto. Crypto Billy in the chat. What's going on? Lorelei, I didn't miss you. Come on. I'm just teasing. Sharkfin. Oh my God. It's Tony Soprano. What's going on, brother? Good to see you. Got a little double top in here. Bearish divergence pushing down right now. Whew. We're getting some volatility this morning. Scadwick Gaming. Good morning, Lord Otter. Lord Otter and King Beaver. That's it. What's up? New Jin, good to see you as well. Maybe a Band-Aid. Alex has that Italian temper. Yeah, you aren't wrong. You aren't wrong. Oh man. I know that you're also watching CF. Why wouldn't you be watching CryptoFace? He's an amazing trader. He sponsors this channel, so you can't you can't watch this channel and not watch his channel. It's just not acceptable. Okay, it's not acceptable. Good morning, everybody. Make sure you are saying good morning. I do appreciate a good morning. Lucky Deal, what's going on? Jesse, good luck. Captain Pancakes, what's going on, brother? Good to see you. Rashad, Roaming Brave, Airdropper, Darren, doing things. My man. My man. Is anybody long? Is the pump real? I wouldn't call this a pump. I'd say we are at the lows. We got bullish divergence. We got swing failure pattern. And we've pushed up a bit. Now we are double topping, and yeah. It's the funnest, most enjoyable, great time hanging out on the crypto volume here. Crypto Billy in the chat. My man, Mo2, what's going on? Gains for Life, Airdropper, Blair Stevenson, good morning. Good to see you guys. Darren D doing things, hitting the like button. That's appreciated. Good morning, CJ Nis. Tony Soprano, no, I bought the bottom, but then it dropped and I became the top. Oh, God. I told you guys to long it. My God. Good morning, Alex. Spyros, good morning to you. OG Blockchain, good to see you, man. Curvis, everyone seemed excited for 93,500, so didn't long. Damn. Oh, man. Go to the end of the recording. Let's go and see it. I don't know if I should pull it up. I'll leave it. I don't need to rub it in, but I said long that. I almost swore. I said long it if it SFP's long that. Anyways, Jeffrey Stone Cipher, good to see you, my brother. How's it going, man? Maybe a Band-Aid, Jesse, good luck. How's it going? Mo2, we're shaking on it, okay? We're shaking on it. If someone comes in my house, I'm going to let them know. Your son will always be watching. Wait until he goes back and watches your old show. Like, Dad's throwing down, man. You'll be like, Dad's got a potty mouth. Dad's laying down the law. Oh man, or dad's an absolute douche canoe. Oh man, this is true. Don't guilt me with my son, Billy. I try my best, man. I try my best. Oh man, pushing up here. Ooh, some bullish momentum, baby. Some bullish momentum. Can I get above this trend line? We'll see. Lasers, good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good to see you. Attila, good morning, Pineapple. Ooh, Pineapple. Are we in for the pineapple today? That would be interesting. Oh, man, we're going to do the pineapple pizza. Let them have it. We can agree on that. Let them have it. Knock them the F out, says Billy. Let's go. He'll do it without swearing. He'll just hit him hard. I mean, I wouldn't. Billy, I'm sure, is farmer strong, man. Don't mess. One thing you learn, like I'm a city kid. I ended up going to school up north, and farmer kids are a different breed of strong. Okay, there's strong like muscles, and then there's farmers. Okay, and they got these hands, man. Like add an extra digit. That they got these crushing fists that have been baling hay like this. I went baling one day with these farmers. Oh my God. And they're just like grabbing the bundles, chucking them up on the truck, grabbing the bundles, chucking them up. I'm like, even making those noises, okay? Yeah, farmer kids, love them, man. Thank you for feeding these city kids. I do appreciate farmers. We love farmers. I would never diss you, bro. Come on now. Let's go. Let's go. Easy C, good morning. Darshan Baba. What's going on, man? Only 1 ETH per additional swear word to my wallet address, okay? Yeah. I sold all my ETH. I'm sorry, Darshan. I sold at 4K. I'm really happy about that sell, to be honest. And yes, I do have the Italian temper. Good morning. Blowing up both accounts today. Good time for study. Oh, no blowing up accounts. Let's not do that. R Pink, good morning to you. Darren, Andy Lee, good to see you. Mad love to Andy Lee. It's been a while. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day, Andy. Good to see you. To a charity. Trent Brock, good morning to you. All set. Good morning to you. Much love to all you guys in here. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the. Good morning, sexy. Oh, damn. Dusty Hunt, blessing me with compliments this morning. Thank you so much. Kurosama, good morning. Vietnam. Quick Smoker, hi from Australia. That's awesome, man. I started streaming in Australia. I lived in Sydney for a year. Beautiful place, Australia. Thank you for being here. Trading in Australia was hard, but I figured it out. There was you have to pick a time and stick to that time. London Open's pretty good. Stayed up until 2. Bottom happened at 4 a.m. Oof. All right, Il Hero, what's going on, Jesse? Wolf and Bear, Rashad Nicholas, good morning to you. Thank you for being here. Auto Crypto, all set. Lunar Beaches, Crypto in the chat. LBC in the place to be. We got some LBCs in here. LBCs, 1, 2, 3. We got some Tony Sopranos in here, too. I'll put some Tonys in here as well. Good to see you guys. And, of course, we got some Crypto Billies in here. Good to see you all in here. Thank you guys for constantly being here and showing up. You know, it's nice to have you here hanging out with me. From Scotland. Love the show. I lived in Edinburgh. Got liquidated due to stupidity over the weekend and rebuilding from $200. Let's go. Let's go, man. That's good. I lived in Edinburgh. Are you from Inverness? Are you from Glasgow? Whereabouts are you from, man? I love Scotland. I would have lived in Scotland if there was more sunshine. I would have. Okay? Scotland's the most beautifulest place on earth, but man, there's lack of sun. I tell you that. No vitamin D there. Long for ETH? Darshan accepts 1 Bitcoin instead. You cannot have my Bitcoin. Number 1 rule. Don't sell your Bitcoin. Just south of Glasgow. Oh, you're in Ire. That's awesome. Yeah, I've heard of it. Beautiful. Do you have like a Glaswegian accent, though? That's the question, Grandmaster Ape. Because you guys speak like you got a mouthful of marbles. Not going to lie. I thought Edinburgh was bad, but oh my God. They say a whole bunch of words to you, and then they go, aye. And you're like, what did you just say? We're getting a pump here, baby. Look at this thing. Ripping. Okay. So we grabbed liquidity from the high now. That's good. Next stop up here, 96.8. 96.8. Okay, nice push for Bitcoin. Overextended. Holy smokes. Double bottom. Bull div. Continuation here. Pushing up. Nice move. Not something I wanted to long this morning, to be honest. And obviously I should have. I found that to be more of chasing price. We're getting above this trend line here. Grabbing the liquidity from the highs, okay? Interested in a short up here if we're going to get it. Okay, remember the stock market? Mondays have been bullish the past 3 weeks because of Mr. Saylor buying Bitcoin. So Tuesday, because we had a holiday, this could be a bullish Tuesday, right? So let's keep that in mind. I'm not going to trade based off that. Just some information that we should be aware of coming into today. Just want to be a prepared trader, because a prepared trader is what? A profitable trader, okay? A profitable trader. Take your vitamins. That's the one. Yeah, Scotland is my next vacation. Go to Inverness. Inverness is beautiful. I would definitely go to Inverness. I went up there, do the Highlands. Play some golf. That's always important. Edinburgh. Okay? You got to do it, man. You got to do it. It's beautiful. Go and climb Ben Nevis. I climbed Ben Nevis. That was a pain in the ass. I'm not going to lie. Ben Nevis is a big mountain, by the way. So fucking true. Oh, I almost swore there. I stopped myself. I'm not counting that one. Smash the legs, utterly fantastic. Time for a short, maybe. My girlfriend loves how you call it Bitcoin. Yeah, we're farming for the Bitcoin, baby. Let's go, baby. Beautiful. Yeah. Yeah, man. I lived in Scotland for almost over a year. I lived in Morningside in Edinburgh. All right. My wife is a West Midlander. That's why we lived in Scotland. She was reading me we were in the West Midlands, and she was reading me places you want to live, right? And just descriptions of towns, and it said a castle in the middle of the town. I was like, we're living there. That's where we're going. So we went. We moved up into Scotland. Loved it. Amazing. Very toppy here. Bearish divergence coming back down right now. Some good volume this morning. Let's see how it goes. Big sweep of the highs. Good mitigation of the highs. Good mitigation of the highs. Higher lows, though. Continuation pattern here. We'll see how we go here. Okay, so yesterday we said take the short. We didn't take the short, okay? We didn't take the short. We had a trickle, bang, bang yesterday into consolidation, into a sweep of the low that we told people to get long on in our Discord, which is fine. Balloon dog pattern, as we can see in here, we got the double bottom followed by the bull flag. Okay, there's your balloon dog pattern. Breakout to the upside. Very nice bottoming structure. Money crossover. Beautiful money continuation. Momentum to the upside. Okay, so it was all there. Yesterday, I was having family day. It was a beautiful day. Spent it with my mom, who is now grandma, my son, and my wife, and that was an amazing day, to say the least. There's nothing more important than having a nice family day. Okay, it's not really about trading at that point. It's, hey man, let's go and spend the day together. So we went and we got 8 feet of snow here in Canada right now, so we went to the mall, as you do as a Canadian, because it's somewhere where you can walk and you can spend some time without freezing your nads off, okay? So a great day for me yesterday. I don't know about you guys. I wonder if you had a good President's Day or whatever kind of day. It was a family day here in Canada, celebrating becoming the 51st state of, If we lose hockey Thursday, okay, the finals for hockey is Thursday, USA and Canada. If we lose Thursday, I might as well just move south. I might as well go to Texas. I don't know if I go Texas. I would go either Utah or Texas. I think Utah's got mountains, so Colorado, Utah, that area, that would be more ideal. That would be up my mountain. That's how I would look at it. So rolling over here, money crossing up, indecisive, right? Chop solidation here, trying to push up right now. I would look for some sort of flag in here. We could get another balloon dog in here. Okay, a bigger balloon dog. We had a mini pooch in here. This is like a min pin, a miniature pincher, right? Now we have a full Doberman, okay? So let's see what goes on. We have obviously a clear downtrend, suggesting lots of liquidity at these highs, people shorting. Okay, we have a nice double bottom in here. However, if we do fail to roll over here, 93.8 is where I'm looking. Okay, come in for this low in here. We came for this low perfectly yesterday. Swing failure, bullish divergence, money crossover. Very, very nice move here so far for Bitcoin, but let's not get ahead of ourselves, okay? Yeah, blow my nose. Sorry about that. Let's not get ahead of ourselves this morning. Let's be prepared. Okay. And let's see what we get. So right now, overextended, right? Overextended, typically looking for a retest back to previous highs. Okay, we can look for this. Okay, we got continuation pattern here, so we can definitely track our momentum to the upside. If this is broken, we can look for shorts. Right? If this, then that kind of price action. We'll see how we get on today, but just trying to be prepared here. Obviously, this morning we got a little bit of a push up here. Not something I would really trade. You got anchored trigger here on the short term. You got bearish divergence here on the short term, right? So I would expect minimum coming back down into here. VWAP right below us as well. So that should work its way back up as well. Okay, this is not where you press buy. We do have a downtrend. We have mitigated the high in here. That's a very good job so far by the price action. And now we can see how this continues to play out. America. Yeah. All right. I'd be moving next to Billy, man. I'd be moving next to Billy. That he'll keep me out of swearing and keep me out of trouble. Billy doesn't want me as a neighbor. It'd be bright and early in the morning. I'd be yelling, "Gang, gang, gang, gang." Let's see some gangs in the chat, man. This is awesome. The Last Kingdom rocked, yeah. Hola, gang. I'm lurking. Got work to do. Good to see you, Wayne C. Hopefully your wife packed you a nice sandwich. I said, "Phew." That's what I said, Buck. I said, "Phew." Good morning to all Alexes and Alexes. Alexander. I love it. I'm an Alexander, too. I never did Ben Nevis, but it's a goal this year is to bag some Monroes, as we say in Scotland. Yes. Let's go. East have hard to push. East have hard to push. East pushing? Is East pushing? I mean, East was pushing yesterday. Look what it did to everybody's hearts. I said, here's your sell wall on the live yesterday. Oh, man. Everybody got crushed. Oh, man. I hate to see it happen. But I said, here's your sell wall. Deviation out of the value area high, right? It's very obvious. Oh, man. These altcoins, man. I feel you guys. I'm in it with you. I'm in it with you. Morningside, posh. Actually, Morningside, yeah, Morningside is posh, but I just wanted a nice neighborhood for me and my wife. We actually had like a nice little 2-bedroom up top in one of those nice, cool buildings. So, but Morningside is definitely posh. It's very nice area, I would say. I mean, we just drove around and I'm like, I want to live in this. You know, okay. The funniest thing about Edinburgh is that the most expensive. Okay, so this is where I lived. Okay. The most expensive, the Grange, I lived over here, okay? The most expensive place in all of Edinburgh is called Dick Place, okay? Dick Place. I ain't lying, okay? You got Dick Place here. This is where J.K. Rowling lived. I lived over here. But you go to Dick Place, and that's where the most expensive... I'm telling you, these houses at Dick Place, my God. Oh, this was so beautiful. I used to love walking this neighborhood. We used to walk this all the time, me and my missus, as they would say. But you have all these beautiful, look at how beautiful this town is, man. You got everything looks like a castle, man. Everything. Look at this house, man. Walking down Dick Place, man. Nothing better than walking down Dick Place. Okay? But I lived on the strip. I lived over... Where did I live? Morningside, right here. So let's take our little buddy here and put him over here on Morningside. So this is the Domino's across from my house. Of course, the Domino's. And I lived over here. Where was it? Okay, so we come down here. The Merlin, that was the pub. I lived down here. I don't know if you guys care about this, but I'm doing it anyways because price action is dismal right now. And come down here. Keep going. Come on. I'm bad at clicking here. Sorry about this. My clicking skills are failing you guys. I don't know why this keeps popping up here. Let's keep going. Come on, keep going. Keep going. The toy shop. I live right here. Next street. It's the next street, I promise you guys. It's like, I don't care where you live, man. Keep going. Keep going. I'm on the wrong side of the road. Canadian. I live right here. This was my road. And I lived in one of these flats up here. I lived in one of these. I lived up top in here. That was where I used to live in Scotland, man. Awesome. Awesome. Nothing cooler than Scotland, man. I'll tell you that much. Oh, man. Memory lane, baby. Memory lane. Okay, rolling over here. Tony Soprano calling ETH. All right, so a little bit of bearish divergence here playing down. No trade yet. Lots of gangs in the chat. Good to see everybody. Thank you for being here. If you are new here, welcome. We're live Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Trading Bitcoin live, baby. Surprised he didn't say it looks like an eggplant. I'm just calling it what it was. Dick Place. Good morning, little fish. Next to the Masonic Temple, yes. This is cool, man. Seeing where you lived, honestly, is so weird watching you every day, and I've been to the same pub as you, likely. Yeah, man. Wild. Wild. Wifey, driving, stopping for gas. Ooh. All right. It's slowed down here. Typical price action here. So you're getting very sporadic pops. Okay, so like stuff like this. You don't want to be on the wrong end. Even yesterday, right? We popped up here. Bear div rolling over. There was some nasty, like very scammy price action in here where like dropped all of a sudden, like it was very quick. Very quick. So you got to be cautious here. Make sure you're using good stops. Protecting yourself, not getting wrecked here. I think that's the number one job. You look, if we just get price action away and we look at the volume in here, right? What do we see? We see sporadic, die down, sporadic, die down, insane, sporadic, die down, sporadic, die down, right? So buyers coming in here. You can see that very clearly, pushing price up, continuing to push price up here, volume coming in, right? So there's some hopium in this move. Buyers are coming in here. However, we are coming up to key resistance now. We have grabbed the liquidity from the high right now as well. Okay, so this is an area of not necessarily where we're going to get rejected, but price is going to have a little bit of a struggle before it continues, if anything. Okay. Going top down here, really just taking a look. And what we can see is that our 2-day has turned down, which is not good. Okay, this was something we were looking for some hopium. There is still hopium in here, but this needs to come back in. Money's coming out quite aggressively, so not looking that great. Now the daily, same deal here, trying to push back up. Okay, no flattening out here on our on our VWAP, but still no pushback as of yet. The 12-hour, we have a trigger wave. Captain, we have a trigger wave. Okay, so third strike is typically pretty nice. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So we look for this to push out. However, the problem here is money is really, really bad right now. So this needs to start pushing if we want to see higher price action. Otherwise, looks to bleed out. Okay. Now there is some more hopium on the 4-hour where we do have a green dot printing, and we're looking for this money to come back in, which it is. And you do have good posturing on all other indicators within that. So the 4-hour looks good. The 3-hour looks good, pushing back in. The 2-hour looks bullish. I shouldn't say good. I should say bullish. And the 1-hour looks bullish. We need to see that money coming back in for Bitcoin, though. Okay? All this is a lower high and a downtrend. Okay? Yes, we have mitigated this high in here. So we can say we are above this high here. We can look for a lower high and continuation out now that we have taken this high. Okay, so market structure suggests that we could pop out of here. Very possible. Okay. Not out of the woods yet, though. It's just what I'm trying to hammer home here, is that we're not out of the woods yet. 24 looking a little bit overextended to the upside, rolling over, right? Coming up to the highs here, mitigating this high. So we're typically looking for something like that if we are to break from here. Okay? Okay. All right, the 12-minute here, toppy, right? Very toppy here. So I would look for, at minimum, coming back down, retesting these highs, and continuation out. Okay? Not looking to short here because of the bullish momentum this morning. This is bullish momentum. I do not want to get in the way of bullish momentum. I want to trade with the trend, therefore giving me higher probabilities to be successful. Now, if there is a very clear short opportunity where it's coming down, mitigating the low, and it's retesting, we can look for that short back down into the middle of the range. But not until we have clear, concise, bearish structure to the downside, okay? So we wait. Trading is waiting. It's about being patient, waiting for your setup. Allowing yourself to wait is going to allow you to make more money, okay? We're here to manage our money and make money. We're not here to throw away our money, okay? If you want to gamble, go and buy a lottery ticket, okay? Or go play in the meme coin industry. Our daily value area, we've come to the high again, okay? We have a nice node in here. And then we have a big gap, really, until the value area low. So for me right now, a little bit of patience is going to prevail in this situation. We have a situation. The situation is this, is that everything is bleeding to the downside. It's obvious, right? We can't say it any other way. Want to zoom out even more, we can show you again. Okay, but everything is really bleeding out, right? We can see that ever since Trump inauguration, we've been bleeding out. So we want to see some relief, baby. There's tons of liquidity. If we start breaking up to that $100,000, my target would be 106 to 104. Easy. Like easy moves. Because once price, okay, this is the hopium, is that once price starts pushing up here, there's so much shorts to be liquidated, right? Their stop losses are just going to get triggered and triggered and triggered and triggered and triggered, making price move up quite aggressively. And this can happen really fast, okay? Really fast. It could happen today. I'm not saying it can't. I'm just saying. Because once that one is triggered, the next one's the next target. Bop, 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 bop. Okay? It's a chain reaction. Okay? But we're not there yet. We're not out of the woods yet. Right now, we're at pretty much the lows of the range. Okay? If we're treating this like a range, all that we can say is that we've been sideways since November. Okay? The Trump pump, baby. And we are stuck in this big-ass volume node. And we are looking to escape it. Up or down. At this point, I don't care. I need some movement, baby. I need some movement. It's like we need what do they take? X-lax or some prunes or something like that. We need movement, baby. We don't care which way. It's just gotta go. It's gotta go. Okay. The Bitcoin needs some movement. That's kind of where I'm at. For now, we wait. Some patience, and we'll see what goes on here. We have our big balloon dog that we were looking for right here. We have our mini one right here that broke out. Now, we are looking for this. We'll see if we get it. 260 people in here, only 79 likes. Jeez. I mean, I'm trying to quit swearing, my friends. We'll see what we get here. Army Piper in the chat. What's going on, man? Good to see you as well. Thank you for being here. Army Piper in the Piper Academy. Great stream last night. Trade fly, kicking ass. Crypto Billy in the chat, man. So awesome to have you here, man. Good game last night. Absolutely. America lost to Sweden. Oh, man, you lost to Sweden? America lost to Sweden. How? And then you want to play us in the finals. Ooh, America. America. It's all going down Thursday, baby. Good morning, gang, gang, gang. The Swedens beat you. Yeah. Gains for life. I don't know if I can hit that note again. Army Piper in the house. Wick Fine 89. Wifey in the house. Let's go. What's going on, Mihao? Good to see you. Hey, team. Good to see you as well. Gains for life. Little chop consolidation. Looking at Solana. I'm going to need BTC to pay the piper. Okay. Candles moving doesn't equal trading. Absolutely. Exactly. But we want volatility. That's all we can ask as traders. Keeping the hodl bags separate from our trading bags. Okay? We want volatility. Trump is a walking black swan. Oh, man. Bored PC guy, good morning to you. Thank you for being here, guys. Mo, too, thanks for being here. Tyler, we got you last game. We'll see Thursday, man. I mean, that was warm-up round. We're going to the finals now. Thursday's the finals. You guys got your fights in. You got All-American on us. We're going to play some hockey on Thursday. We gave you a taste. All we did is let McJesus score on you guys, okay? That's it. We gave you some Connor McDavid, and that was it. That was it. It's going to be a good game, man. It's at the end of the day, it's a friggin' great rivalry, man. It's such a good... I mean, 3 fights in 9 seconds? Are you kidding me? It was like the UFC for the first minute of the first period, man. It was such a good game, man. US definitely has the advantage in net. Yeah, that's the thing, is you guys got Helly, man, and Helly's a great goalie. We've lost all our good goalies, like Carey Price, Patrick Waugh, Martin Brodeur. Like they're all retired now, right? Luongo, right? So we are a little bit weaker in net, but damn, we have. You guys got Matthews. Matthews is my. I have a Matthews jersey. Okay, I'm a Leafs fan, but don't get me started on hockey. I get too excited, man. I get too. Woo. Oh man, Ofnir. Good morning to you, Tyler. Good to see you. Have a good night, J Violet. Like 106. Oh, we hit 106. Thank you guys for smashing up those likes. 260 people here. Stalling out right now. A nice push up here. Getting everybody hopium. People are long right now, and that's okay. But what do you see at the top here? What do you see? I see a push. I see another push. Okay, I see a higher low, so this is continuation. Okay, so right now, we need this to close above here. That's the next job. 3 drives, what are we doing? We're shorting this thing, right? My nose is so dry. This winter can end any time it wants, you know? My God. Anytime it wants. See, sporadic. This looks like continuation, not a trade I want to take. Just for what's in front of us. Like if we're gonna push right now, we've mitigated this high. Okay, we've discussed that. This is our next target to come for. Okay, we have a key level of resistance here as well. We have a downtrend line right now that we could come and tap. That we're tapping, trying to break out of and continue. We've broken out of this trend line. If we were looking this morning, I was looking at this one too. but that was gone. This is why you don't just trade trend lines. They're just a reference point to hold trades longer, to break of structure, momentum. Okay, it's not something you trade off of. Please do not trade just based off of trend lines. Okay, it's very much up for interpretation. Okay, it's not something you do what you want. You can do what you want. I mean, if it's successful, you've back tested it, it's profitable, you manage your risk, good job. Use your trend lines, okay? Barris Soloway. I went there. I can go after people without swearing. I'm learning that. Okay? Oh, good fun. Good fun. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Best goalies are all from Quebec. This is facts, man. This is facts. They know how to take a beating. Look at George St. Pierre, Quebecer, Quebecois. You punch me in the face, I punch you in the face harder. That's it, man. The Quebecs are tough, man. They're tough and disciplined people. I love the Quebecois. Don't trade off trend lines and triangles. The sniper's nightmare. What's going on, brother? Good to see you, bro. Good to see you, man. Are you back from your travels? Hopefully you had a good travel. We were just talking about where I lived in Scotland, in Edinburgh. I even gave you guys the sneak peek of where I used to live. How are you doing? I think you're up north. You're not in Scotland anymore. I think you're northern England. Dave Digital, what's going on, man? Good to see you. If we tell people to pray for Bitcoin price and their local Catholic church, we're trying to give popium. Yeah, exactly. I'll give them as much popium as they need, man. I mean, this is painful. Good morning, Otter Gang. Hey, Alex, I'm currently short in Bitcoin. What do you think? I don't know how you justify getting short right now. Unless you're, if you're short here, there's no reason for you to be short yet. Okay? You have bear divs. Okay, that's the only thing. You have no break in structure. You still have an uptrend right now. You have lots of liquidity above you. You have continuation pattern here. Higher lows. If you're short from somewhere over here, okay, maybe up here or over here or over here. If you're short from here, I'd be considering closing it. You should have been taking profits down in here. We know what this price action is. We've talked about this. It's whipsaw, round trip, long, stopped out, long, stopped out. Okay, so it's round trip price action, so you must be paying yourself, okay? If you're not paying yourself, you're in trouble, okay? If you're short from here, this is a nice rejection, but you don't have any structure break. I would look for structure break and continuation. That's how I would treat it. So I'd like to see at least this low lost. At least. And it could work. That's the problem. Is that you take this trade, back down to VWAP, whatever you're doing, and it could work. You always got a chance, right? It's 50% this way, 50% that way, right? It's just what is your reasoning behind it? What is the plan that you're trading? There's always a reason to be in a trade if it follows your rules, if it follows your strategy. This isn't my strategy, so it's not something that I will trade, right? A lot of the time people are in the chat here and they're like, oh, a perfect bounce off the 50 moving average, right? And I'm like, okay, that's cool, man. My goalie is like Swiss cheese. Yeah, he is. He's not that great, man. He's not that great. I do agree. The Canadian goaltending actually is dismal. It's dismal. I think Aiden Hill would be better. What do you guys think? Or Marc-Andre Fleury? At least he's a competitor, right? Logan Thompson, he's Canadian. Logan Thompson for the Caps, he's been playing good this year. I don't know. I will even go. I will even go to Cam Talbot on the Red Wings. Okay? Yeah? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? We got Binnington in net right now. Okay? St. Louis. I would go Cam Talbot, Aiden Hill. That's how I would go. Aiden Hill, I think, is our best chance. Even Stuart Skinner on the Oilers. Okay? I watch way too much hockey, by the way. I may like hockey. Okay? Bro, you want an editor? I don't make enough. I don't make a lot of. I don't make enough long form content. I'm off the top, man. I don't think anybody likes me being edited. I think I'm okay, man. I do appreciate your offer. Thank you for being here. I think you want an editor to bleep out all the. Oh, I almost swore again. To bleep out all my swear words on my previous video that my son's going to watch. That's what I would get you to edit. If I was to pay someone and be like, go back and just bleep out every swear word in all of my content. I think AI will be good enough in the next 5 years. My son's 6 months in 3 days. My son will be 6 months. So I think I got about 5 years. 5-6 years until he can watch and understand, right? And by then, AI should be able to go back through all my content and mute all of my swear words. I am Long from 96. Good job, man. Good job. You're Long from right in here off the breakout. Yeah, you're in trouble. You're in trouble, man. You're Long. You're buying the top. Why are you buying the top, man? Dangerous. Let's see how you do. Let's see how you do. 96, okay? 96,000. Yeah, where's your stop? Where did you put your stop loss? Where's your invalidation point getting long here? Order block? Here? Are you swinging it? We should have Rate My Trades. That's what we should do. A series called Rate My Trades. It's like back in the day when they had that ratemypoo.com. That was horrible. That's 90s kids, man. It's we're so trash. Like the 2-1 cup video, you know that one? Like we were so fresh with it, right? We didn't know what we were doing. You guys know. I don't have to tell you. That's why you come here. Because we can relate. Back for the rest of the week, then off again. Had tool deliveries to. Of course you did. Of course you did. If y'all didn't stop booing our national anthem, I'm coming up there and giving you all a stern talking to. We weren't saying boo. We were saying boobs. We like boobs. 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 We weren't booing. We weren't booing. I know it's so embarrassing. Honestly, Canada is so embarrassing. Scotland, that's where lock is pronounced. Loch. Yeah. I got a picture of me. I caught Nessie, by the way. I have a picture of me on my phone. Do you remember that Sniper's Nightmare when I showed you my picture of when I caught the Loch Ness Monster? I think you remember it. I'm pretty sure. You've got to remember I caught the Loch Ness Monster, man. Okay, rolling over here. Someone said they're short. Okay, here's me in Scotland. That was actually a really good scroll. You know when you're looking for a part in your life where you're actually... Yeah, okay. Where's the Inverness trip? Let me see if I can find the picture of me catching Nessie. I legit got a picture of me catching Nessie in Scotland. In Edinburgh. In Edinburgh. Oh, there's a picture of No with a perm You guys want to see No with a perm in the 70s? I gotta share that one. Oh my god. No with a perm. Can you believe No had a perm back in the 70s? Pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. Let me keep looking here. Keep looking. I'm gonna send these to my damn self. Okay, Bitcoin rolling over here. No trade yet. I want to see that. You're gonna get stopped out of your trade, right? You've taken profits. Where's the picture of me catching Nessie? I can't find it. I'm still looking. Don't look at my seed phrase, please. I see you looking at my seed phrase. I thought it was a good scroll. It wasn't. All right. I'll have to find it for you guys later. Oh, here's the Scott. Here it is. I found it. I found it. I'm going to have to hide this from you guys. 1 second. I'm coming back. All right. What do we want first? Granddad with a perm? Me in Scotland? I think you want Granddad with the perm. 382 bounce. I'm looking here. Quick recovery here. 855. Nice bounce off of our 96,000. Look at that. 96,000 holding up. You want to see No with the perm? I've never been to Malaysia. Smash the utterly fantastic like button. Is Randy Hipper here? Randy, happy belated birthday. I mean, we already sung you happy birthday. Thank you for being here, Randy. God bless you. Hopefully you're doing well. Yes, I would submit my trades for a Rate My Trades segment. That would be fun. 6 months, yeah. I'll send you some pictures, Randy. He's getting huge. He's got bigger. His quads are bigger than my biceps. And I mean, I don't have big biceps, but you know what I mean. You should put Trudeau in goalie. No pads. I love that. That is where it's at, man. That's where it's at. You want to see No with the perm? Is that the first one we want to see here? All right, we got No with the perm. My God. Are you guys ready for this? This is back in the day. No. This is No with the perm. Oh, yeah. Hey, look at the couch, too. No with the perm. Look at the hands. The guy's got, his hands are double the size of mine. Like in baseball gloves, man. Hey, what you looking at, bro? Hey, Tony Soprano. This is the man. Testadura. All right. Oh, man. What do you guys think? No with the perm. No with the perm. Let's go. I told you I caught the Loch Ness Monster, right? So I was out in Scotland. And I was fishing with Sniper's Nightmare. and I caught the Loch Ness monster. I sent this to my grandma when I was up in Scotland. She believed it. No, I'm I'm joking. Oh man. Oh man. Here's me and my wife in Edinburgh, okay? Yes, my wife is beautiful. Beautiful. There's your little picture show. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Little fake out. Look at this. Oh man, this volume is absolutely dismal. Like it's so bad. Like this is so bad to trade with. Look at that. Just like if you little trigger wave in here. Darshan's got to tuck his boy in for bed. Oh, sweet dreams, little boy. The Dirty Sanchez mustache. Watch out with the Jerry curl. Yeah, that's the one. You tried to prepare for you for months? What about Jesse? Are we looking at the monthly VWAP or something weird like that? We haven't taken any trades just to sub. It's been since we started, it's just been hopium to the upside. And we've literally, this is where the stream started. Go to 8 o'clock, okay, because we start on time every single day. We have literally gone sideways. That's where we've started. This has been our trading morning. We started on this candle. Isn't that? I can't make it move. We've been talking about goalies, hockey, no with a perm. This looks bullish. We could put stop loss under this low here. We could go long here. I would like lower. The problem with going long here is we have a lot of resistance in front of us, okay? Standard deviation, 2.5 here. It's all there. For me, the long is here. That's where the long is. Look at that. Right into your resistance, easy targets. You could short down into here. I mean, it's still a half a percent move? Yeah, you could short. Someone said they're short from up here, so as long as you can justify your position, you're trading a plan, then I'm down for it. I'm always down for it. I just you can long from extreme. Absolutely. No, I agree. I agree. It's on movement though. So for me, you guys have seen me take continuation trades where it's going. I'll jump in on the retrace and I'll jump on the train. But this isn't continuation. This is topping out. This is rolling over. There's no reason to be jumping on this just yet. Okay? If we came up in here and we did a little bit of this, we could be looking for it. But not yet, in my opinion. We've taken a lot of continuation trades and made a lot of money. We were 5 for 5 last week. We're 0 for 0 this week. We didn't take a trade yesterday. I took one trade yesterday. Just a quick scalp in here. I even posted on the winners wall. I think. Winners wall. Where are we? JR's over trading. So $400 here yesterday. JR, how you win so many damn trades, bro? I don't get it, but you do you. You do you. 9:02 here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, hanging out here. Hopefully, you're having a wonderful Tuesday. We got 278 people here, 120 likes. Thank you guys for liking up this stream. Right now, Bitcoin, no direction. One direction, no direction. We'll have to see. Is the sound... Let's see if the sound is working here. I have updated my computer. I got to go fill up some more coffee. We're good here. I'll be right back.
On the comer, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the comer, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the comer, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
Gang, gang. Okay, a little push here. Trigger waves playing out. How we all doing? How we all doing? Anybody in any trades, let me know. Put a 1 in the chat if you are long. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. I'd like to know. Where do I buy that hoodie? Long, long, long. 3, no trade. Long, long, long. Lots of longs in here. Okay. 2 short. What's going on, Brewberry? Good to see you, bro. 3 waiting. Trading is waiting, baby. Trading is waiting. We started our stream here. We are right here. We have done a, we're flatlining, baby. We're flatlining. No trade yet. Looking for this to come back down to VWAP on market open. We'll see it's 907 right now. The NASDAQ looking strong. The S&P looking strong. Okay, these are good signs. It's just for Bitcoin to catch up. Okay, the Dixie dying. We have our swear jar count. We're working on the swearing. The Dixie is retesting right now. Okay, it's retesting back up to that 107 that we talked about before. So we'll see how that goes. Just waiting here. if I was to take a trade right now, it'd probably be short. If I was like right now, gun to my head, short. That would be me. But for now, we wait. We wait because trading is waiting. Indecisive. To me, right now, this is the market makers trapping longs to build up short to dump it on your head. This is unsustainable. At least the order block retest to previous highs in here. For zoomed out, this is definitely a big old fair value gap. Okay, going like a 1 hour. Yeah, there you go. Big old fair value gap, right? So a little toppy on the 15. Nice movement up. Is this a 382 here? A bounce here? 382? Yeah, we got 382 bounce here. So that's aggressive. An aggressive bounce in here. Do we get a 382 up into here? Let's see. Swing low. To swing high. So we are 382ing right now as well. Okay. I don't think it comes back to back. We'll see how it goes. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live stream. We got a boatload of people in here, as usual. 264. Thank you guys so much for being here and supporting the channel. I do appreciate you guys being here. This market is horrible. Yeah, it is. It is quite painful. Good morning, Randy. Thank you for being here, Randy. Yeah, they're waiting for us to shut down the stream so that they can rip it. Okay, I could shut it down if you want. We got a couple people in the longs. Really want to long Ondo, but I can't seem to get a pullback from since you woke up. Yeah, I'd be patient on that. No trades. Chop all over the chart. Mihao, good call. Waiting. Trading long, short, long and short. Darshan's in a schlong. Drive safely, Chantel. CJ Nis, good morning to you. Being a female truck driver in Northern Ontario is hard lately with all the snow. Be safe. Stay indoors and trade. That's it. Thank you, Chantel, for delivering all the packages. I appreciate you driving around in this weather. I mean, I went for a drive just for fun. I do have a 4x4 4Runner, so I mean, it was good fun, but the snow is insane right now. Northern Ontario too, so you've gotten quite a good dumping if you're anywhere Barrie or further north. So hopefully you stay safe out there. It looks like this trigger wave's trying to push right now. We got 20 minutes till market opens. Standard deviation 1 holding us up right now. To me, this looks toppy. It looks toppy. We'll see how it goes. See how it goes. Big news from Google just came out. Google and BTC. Yeah, I saw that this morning. That's pretty cool. I'm sure Randy will be talking about something like that. She's always bringing some alpha to you guys. Make sure you guys go over and follow Randy Hipper. Amazing content creator. Amazing people here. Looks like we're getting a little push here on Bitcoin. You have all the alpha today. Okay, I'm down for that. I'm gonna have to tune in then. I'm gonna have to send the stream to you after here. I don't know. We've been sending it to Piper. We've been sending it to Brewberry. Okay, a little push up here. This is a little bit of bullish momentum. Remember, 3 drives, right? 3 drives. 1, 2. Can we get a third? Right? 3 drives, you're out. Very easy short. We get it. Yesterday we had the shorting opportunity as well. Up in here. Was it here? No. Yeah, it was. Yeah, that was our shorting opportunity we talked about on the stream. Our swing failure pattern, the push up. Overnight trading, swing failure pattern. Push up again. So it's trying to go here. Let's see how this goes. No trade yet, just waiting. Thank you everybody for being on the live stream. I do appreciate you guys hitting up that like button and supporting the channel. We're almost at 8,000 subscribers. Pretty wild. Thank you guys for being here. We got 134 likes, 274 people in here. Happy Tuesday and happy belated Family Day. It was Family Day yesterday in Canada and President's Day in America. But we are your Otter family. If you do wanna hang out, we do have a free section of our Discord where you can come and talk a lot of smack and hang out with all of us. Pretty active Discord in here. Lots of good people and good fun. There is also a membership, $1 a day. Keeps the doctor away, where you get signals, live chats, Brewberry going live. You get Kyle's TA setups. We're even trading Butthole, man. Like, this is such a great community. You get updates every morning from me. You get alt TA from me. You get alt ideas from me. A plethora of different TA done for you guys all the time. Small knit, tight knit community. If you do want to join that, that would be cool. Come over and hang out in the Discord. We'd love to have you. If not, come and hang out here. We go live Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Okay, so we'd love to have you over here if you do want to come and hang out. But you can show your support by smacking up that like button, subscribing if you're new. Another rejection here. You should never trade your butthole. You guys are all going off now. As soon as you say butthole, this is wrong, man. This is wrong. We won't go there. Price is going to go higher than the snowbanks. The snowbanks are pretty high right now, man. Okay. I like zesty ranch on my pineapple pizza. You guys are so bad, man. You guys are so bad. You guys are so bad. Trading is waiting. Is that the O in Alex? O is my last name. Alex O. Crypto. Share Alex his channel on all the socials so that he gets 10K subs. That's kind of you, Jesse. Thank you. I appreciate you, man. The problem with your channel blowing up is that your chat will explode. Then we won't be able to have this chill stream together. Disclaimer, I already liked your video. Thanks, bro. Thanks, Daniel. I'll just make it so like you can't over comment. I think you can make it like a comment every 5 seconds. I mean, I always wanted this to be like an office, right? Like we're all hanging out here, talking a bunch of smack. People talking smack to me putting them on timeouts, and trading isn't easy, so it's nice to have like a community to hang out with and try to navigate these charts. A second opinion. Hopefully I can be a decent second opinion. We take a lot of good trades together, and that's always fun as well. I love seeing you guys win. I love seeing you guys' ideas and what you're looking at and why you're looking at it and where you're entering and why you're entering. And you know, there's always something to learn, and I'm always a student of the game as well, right? I think that's so important. All I ask is you manage your risk. That's it. I mean, I've taken losses on here too, so if you're not managing your risk, you're asking to not last in this game. This is not an easy game, but it's worth it. It's changed my life, and it can change your life. It's just a matter of discipline and waiting. You don't always have to be in a damn trade, okay? I took one trade yesterday. Very nice trade. That's it. Made my money. Ran. Okay, looks like we're trying to push here still. Coming into market open, we got 13 minutes. $278 people here. Thank you for being here. Stalling out. Stalling out. How many people listen to people when they say buy the dip? Do you guys like those people? Like, do you guys seriously go in and buy the dip? Like, what are you? The dip is just dipping. What do you guys think? Are you guys like dipping around? Like, how much dipping can you buy? I'm just curious. Good to see you, Lunchable. Much love to you, man. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day. Roaming Brave. Pineapple on pizza is a sin? No. Look at Alex pulling the poll to make us not do the butthole talk. Motu's onto something. We're not talking about the culo, okay? Got to keep this. I really want to sign up to the Discord. I'm down to my last $200, now $220 after getting liquidated over the weekend. $30 is a bargain, but large part of my funds. We do provide a lot of trade setups and alerts and updates every single day. We do live streams, eight a week. Brewberry does 5. I do 3. Plus, I do this. Yeah, man, it's a great place, man. Signals, setups. Right now, look, it seems to me with that comment is that all you need to do is practice some risk management right now, and trade a setup, because you should not be getting liquidated. You should have invalidation points on your trades. Nice push here for Bitcoin. Coming into market open, 10 minutes to market open. Sweep of the highs in here. Trying again. Push Bitcoin. Flattening out here. This is good. Nice push here for Bitcoin. Got continuation follow through here. Coming for the high here. Nice push. Breakout. Into market open. A little bit sketchy in my opinion. A little bit sketchy here. A little bit sketchy. Considering a short here. Considering it. Not yet. I'm not in or anything. I'll let you know if I do enter, but considering a short here. Still waiting. 96,600. $96,600. Just feel like we're a bit overextended here. people be buying into this thing. There's no way. Still waiting. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Mods will mod, baby. Just stick around for now, Grandmaster Abe. It's good having you here. Take your time. Practice good risk management. Join the free part of the Discord. Hang out. Canadian bacon with pineapple is absolutely delicious. Maple bacon. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Let's go. Nambe pambe. Don't be a nambe pambe. Thank you for your live stream, Army Piper. A little push up here. How much dip are you buying here, man? French onion dip? Tony D banned Nightbot commands. Let's go, Tony. Oh, man. Tony's protecting the gang every single day. Getting a nice push here for Bitcoin. Trying to push. Trying to push. You asked and I listened. Let's go. You got to stop with that fart, Dave. Coming up to our key resistance here. Nice breakout for Bitcoin so far. Shout out to those who are in the long. Nice push here into market open. Coming into our sell wall. Okay. Nothing yet. Good strength here from Bitcoin. Nice push. Nice push. Coming up into our highs here, into our order block. Nice continuation here. I appreciate you, Gains for Life. Thank you for being here, bro. Nice little rejection here. Got follow through, though. Damn, I hit that to the T, eh? Holy smokes. I mean, we could have taken that. Shoulda, coulda, woulda, didn't. We got a breakout here. Now we can look at this box to move up. Okay. Big rejection here. Can we get continuation up? I really don't like this price action today. Make sure you are paying yourself if you're in that long. I am HR, so good luck firing anyone. Yeah. Yeah, I would have messed with Sniper's Nightmare. He does have a seniority. Seniority. Oh, man. Okay, continuation here. No trade yet. Clay the Great. I mean, in Italy, the thing is the sauce, man. Must be. Nice push. Yeah, nice push. Not bad. Not bad. Good morning, One Harmony. Good to see you as well. Satoshi lost. Let's go, BTC. Let's see. Let's see. It's trying to go right now. It's trying. Into market open. We got 3 minutes to market open. Anchovies. I don't like anchovies. Gonna keep that right there. I'm going to keep that right there. Keep your anchovies to your damn self. We got 3 drives. Yep. 3 drives into the highs. This one's a little bit higher than I would have liked. Came right. It tapped the box, though. If this is, I'll be upset if this is the one. I'm going to come down and wreck all the bulls now. Fake out, just grabbing liquidity, I'd say, yeah. I would say too. I agree. I'm in the fake out liquidity grab as well. Thank you, everybody, for smacking up that like button. We got 147 likes here, 316 people here. If you wouldn't mind getting that to 200, that would be very kind of you. You looking for a seller or a buy? So right now, we were looking for the short up high here. Didn't take it. Momentum seemed too strong, in my opinion. Coming into market open too, it's a little bit risky. Okay, we got 1 minute till market opens here, and to me, just jumping into a trade right when we're opening. This is the most crazy time right here. From here to here is where a lot of traders, okay, a lot of traders are not into trades. Your first 15 minutes, you let the market cook. Okay, you get your orb. Your orb will tell you which way. And we wait. Okay, so the first 15 minutes is always going to be chaos. So taking a trade into that chaos is sometimes very risky. Okay, we went completely sideways all stream. This was our stream. Now we have pushed up. There's hopium. We're coming into a sell wall we haven't fully rejected yet. Okay, so there's still strength in this move. You see volumes coming in. Volume's going to pick up. Market is open now. S&P gapping to the upside. Okay, showing some strength here in the S&P. Starting Monday with a bang. NASDAQ rolling over, double topping right now, so be careful here. Bitcoin trying to push right now. The Dixie hasn't rolled over, okay? It's broken down. It's retesting, looking for rollover. Bitcoin trying to push. No sign of letting up right now. Trading is waiting, baby. Looking for a potential short back down into VWAP, though. That would be my trade today. Looking for that. We'll see if we get the opportunity. Right now, this has bullish momentum, so no trade as of yet. Just waiting. Our 15 looks a little bit toppy here. However, we do have a confirmed green dot trying to push on the 15. Money flow crossover to the upside. Looking strong. 24. Looking toppy, okay? Very toppy on the 24. Looking like it wants to break down. However, we have put in a higher high here, so this suggests that we can look for a higher low and continuation if we top out here. Trying to push. Still stalling out here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Slapping up that like button. 324 people in here. Much love. Talking a bunch of smack today. Having a good time. Looks like Bitcoin's rolling over here, coming back for those late longs. Good to see you, Emma. Jonah Perez, Philip Collin, good morning. Good to see you guys. Dr. Pepper, NASDAQ collapsing. Okay. A good trade is coming because I got to poop. Got to hate that one, don't you? Emma Coiner in the chat. Judge, bye. Good to see you as well. Pins and needles. Okay, so retest the previous highs here, trying to go. Make sure you guys are saying good morning if you are new here. Thank you for being here. Might go to Monday's high. Yeah, that would be a target. Monday's high is right here, 97,000. Breaking down here, retesting the area for continuation to the upside. Okay, this would be where we look for our long, possibly. Okay, I would prefer a long back down at VWAP. 3 drives to the upside, breaking down right now. Coming down. Breaking down. Looking for potential long scalp. Potential long scalp here. No trade yet. Good morning, Jeff. Good morning, Steven. We use VWAP. We use high, medium, low, close. These are just daily pivots, previous daily pivots. Market cipher. A bit of volume. Okay, rolling over here. No trade yet. The long that I would love to see is down here. That's the long right here. This is coming back for late longs. Okay, getting everybody excited. There's a potential scalp here to push higher. Not saying there isn't a potential scalp long here. I'm not in any trades yet, just waiting. We were looking for the short from up here. We did not take it. Just not confident in the price action up in here. Probably going to regret it, but that's okay. On to the next setup. If we mitigate the low here, if we come in and we take this low here, we can look for a retest and continuation back down. But no trade yet. Still waiting. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, hanging out here. Seek and destroy. Yep, that's the one. Good morning, Alex and the Otter gang. Shout out to the OC in sunny SoCal. Let's go. Nice rejection. 3 drives to the upside here. Something we typically trade, but didn't take it, man. Didn't take it. Did anybody take that short? I don't know if I'm not seeing it right. I feel like I'm seeing it right. I'm just not taking that trade. Like that to me was a no trade. A bit risky with the momentum here. Okay, coming down. Breaking down now. Coming back for all those late longs. Watch out. Here we come. Back into our key level here. Looking around 95,750. 95,750. We'll see if we come down in here. Looking at 95,750 for the potential long here. Nice breakdown here. Coming back to our trend line. Momentum. Loss of the low here. Continuing to roll over here on Bitcoin. Dixie. S&P trying to push back. Bitcoin coming down into our key area here. 340 people here. Thank you guys for smacking up those like buttons, subscribing, hanging out here every morning. Looks like we're getting a little pushback here. Shout out to those who took that short. My God, you guys are crushing it. Good job. Gains for life, did you take that? I saw 3 drives. I got the 3 driver. Let's go. Beautiful. Nice trade. Nice trade. That was it, man. That's it, man. This was just a bit steep in my opinion. That's why I didn't take it, man. Congrats on being brave, man. That's a good trade, bro. Good job. I love seeing you guys win, man. That's the thing. You guys can make up your own decisions here. You're very capable. I know you guys are. I can see you guys there. You want to press sell. You want to press buy. You're very capable. Get a little bounce here. I like that bounce. Looking to get long here. Looking to get long here. Looking to possibly get long here off this bounce. No trade yet. Still waiting. I would like VWAP. Still waiting. We got that nice trend line here holding up though. This could bounce. What is NASDAQ saying? NASDAQ's rolling over hard. Bitcoin's fighting for this level. I'll take a stab here. I'm going to get long. I'm going to get long here. Half a position size, give myself a wiggle room. I can add a little bit down here if I choose so, but I'm going to see if we do bounce from here. Looking to just take this back up to 96.4. We'll see if we bounce up to 96,400. Come on, Bitcoin. Got to push. Stalling out here. Just trying to get up into this order block in here. See if we can push up into here for a little retest. Bouncing off the trend line here. Got a nice little trigger wave in here trying to push up. We'll see if we get it. We do have more room on our stop here. We have about 0.6. Okay, so we do have a bit more room if we do not hold here. However, I would like to be as cheap as possible here. I don't really feel like adding. I'd rather close and then re-enter if we do not get the push up here. Okay, rolling over a little bit here. Any hopium from the NASDAQ? Okay, stalling out. I was told to check the US 100. We got a little bounce on the US 100 here. Okay. Trying to hold here. I just want to push back into the to this 96.4. $9.40. Thank you everybody for being on the live, hanging out here. Push Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Push. Don't be a namby-pamby. Let's go. We got to go. That was a good candle. Stalling out here. Steve Ruggles, man. Steve Ruggles. Trying to go. Trying to go. Can someone blow on the candle for me, please? It's my birthday. Not my birthday. This looks like it might roll over here into VWAP. Come on, Biddy. Okay, rolling over here. Not getting the bounce I wanted. Retesting the highs here, coming into VWAP. Coming into VWAP right now. I'm going to get out of that trade. Stop out. Good roll over here for Bitcoin. Stalling out. No movement here. Coming into VWAP. See if we bounce. Damn, this is an aggressive sell-off here. NASDAQ bounced, but can't win them all, man. Can't win them all. That's right. Look for the next one. Look for the next one. Little $250 loss. We'll be all right. Still looking for the bounce out of here. See what we get here. Sweep into VWAP. Reclaim. Reclaim. Possible long opportunity again. Pretty aggressive sell-off here. 3 drives, rolling over into our buy zone though. Wrecking the bulls. Wanted to see continuation. Should have waited for my VWAP level. Should have, could have, didn't. Should have, could have, didn't. See if we can re-enter here. What is an Nambe Pambe? VWAP curling down. Ooh, are you watching the curling of the VWAP now? I like that. Dave Digital with the curling. A Nambe Pambe. Not feeling it. Nasty. Dump. Yeah. Little pushback here from Bitcoin. Okay. Trying to go. Look at that bounce. Aggressive bounce, retest, continuation down. It only stopped me out for 44 here. Tight stop loss. Got to share it. Always got to share it. 44 bucks here. Okay. Pushing back here. No trade, rollover right now. Coming for liquidity in this low here. Trying to bounce. This is a bounce level. We could be looking for a long here. Free fall. Great job on that short up top there, everybody. Good job. We missed that one. Not feeling it. Yeah. 334 people here. Thank you for being here. Can we get a V-shaped recovery? That's what we'd be looking for here. Trend line needs to F off. That's why you don't... I should listen to my own words. You don't trade it based on a trend line, do you? I didn't listen to myself. Don't you notice that? Like sometimes you're trading and you say you don't trade this and then you end up trading it. It's like very... a bit of a mind fuck, you know? I'm not counting that as a swear. That is definitely not a swear. That was just a... That is a full-on legal word in the English language. Trying to get a bounce here. Okay, I said it. Trying to be better. All right. I added $5 to the swear jar, okay? I did it. This is just ugly, I'm not going to lie. No, it's not nice. I mean, we had the short. We told you to take the short here. I didn't even take the short here. That's why it is nasty. It's coming back, grabbing all the late longs. All right, late longs, as we said, building up a short. Coming back, wrecking out all the bulls, right? So, for now, we wait. Blasting through our buy zone. Now that we have established highs, though, we can look for our golden pocket zone here, 786. This is where we're going to be targeting next for a bounce. Okay, going back into short-term time frames, we got our 786. So golden pocket first, 786 second, VWAP. So if we come back up and reclaim VWAP, we can go long. For now, we're rolling over. Here's our 618 for the range. See if we bounce off our 618. Big old Dumperelli, man. This is nasty. Okay? Nasty. Coming back down. The hopium's real, man. The hope, you see it, man. You can see like how the sentiment is so tarnished right now, and we're all just blaming the meme coins. That's fine. But yeah, just 3 drives. Congratulations on those who got short there. That's an awesome little trade this morning. No. It's very true, Buck. It's like you say, "Oh, I don't do this, and then all of a sudden you're clicking the buy button, right? We're down $40 though this morning. Not bad. Not bad. No complaints here. Good risk management's gonna allow you to live longer, right? Okay, bounce off the 618 here. Like this bounce. Trying to reclaim VWAP. We reclaim VWAP, I get long. Looking for the long here. I'm going to take a stab here, get long. Stop loss pretty tight here below these lows. See if we can push. Come on, Bitcoin, push. Wow. Nasty dump on NASDAQ. S&P. Okay. Weakness, eh? Weakness. Weakness all around for market open. That's how we get a pushback in here. Jump the gun a little bit. Damn it. Nasty. Nasty, nasty. Stop loss is below the low here. Below our 786. That was just a retest of VWAP and a rejection. Nasty. Oh my God. Okay, stopped out. Jeez. I guess the short was the play. The short was the play. Damn it. Not good today, man. Very aggressive price action, right? Coming back all the way back down for all the liquidity down here. Big rejection off the highs. No reclaim of VWAP continuation. I thought we would hold the lows in here. Didn't happen. That's why you manage your risk. That's why we should have taken the short this morning. And hindsight's always there. You can see, we have our 24 curling over, right? We have all these things pointing in the direction that we can see, right? It's always easy to reflect on the trade after the fact. Trigger wave to the downside here. 15-minute toppy. Yeah, it was all there. Not seeing it today, I guess. That's fine. That's fine. 786 is a good bounce level, though. Don't get it twisted. If we're going to bounce, this is where it would bounce from, in my opinion. We'll see if it can continue to push up. VWAP's in the way now. So VWAP's got to be reclaimed. We'll see if we get that. Got to see a push here, though. Get up above these lows here and continue upwards. Alex O is a Numbi Pumbi. Thank you, Satoshi, for being here, man. I appreciate you. Continue to push. Push, Bitcoin. No bounce. So retest of VWAP breaking down, okay? Gotta go. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, hanging out here. How much lost? Just 280 right now, so not bad. Trying to come up for that VWAP again. See if it can do it. $786 bounce, man. That's pretty wild. If it bounces 786 here, typical Bitcoin price action here. V-shaped recovery on the table. Trying to go. Trying to go. Anybody take the 786? Trading is waiting. Good morning. Good to see you. Here's the risk if you want to know. Nice bounce here. Nice job, Joey. Good job. Possible V-shaped recovery. I wouldn't count on it just yet. Good to see Andy Lee, Grandmaster 8. A little bit early on the longs today, guys. That's my bad. That's my bad. Be break even on that VWAP trade right now. Kyle, are we just gonna bleed out over 6 months now? We'll see. We'll see. See where Orb is. Yeah, so Orb is retesting right now. VWAP's retesting right now. Very aggressive sell-off coming back for liquidity, okay? Nice recovery from the NASDAQ and the S&P. Coming up to VWAP, getting a little rejection here. I'd like to see this reclaimed. Nice bounce off our 786 area in here. So let's see if it does want to push up from here and continue. I mean, if we're coming for the lows, Ethereum, choppy, Bitcoin, choppy. Very harsh price action. If you're not using a stop, man, you're going to get hurt here. Continuation to the downside here. 300 people in the live. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Coming back in right now. We'll see what we get. It's a little bit more methodical here with decreasing volume, looking to push up. Like to see that trigger wave here on the 1 minute. Can Bitcoin push back? That's the question, right? Right now, it doesn't seem as if it, it gives everybody that hope, and then just strips it all away. Not easy. That's why you must manage risk. Rolling over right now. See, even with this price action, like justifying that short, yes, we came into a key area where we should be looking for a short. 3 drives, okay? Something we take a lot of the time, okay? Shouldn't, but it was just, it shot up, it stalled out, then it died, right? So not an easy trade at all. Rejection off VWAP, continuation to the downside here. 786 going to hold. We'll see. We'll see. Not an easy one today, friends. Ah, another day, another penny. 0 for 2 today. It's a different day today. And that's okay. We'll get them the next time. It's been a fun one today. At the end of the day, we managed risk. We're only down a little bit. I'm sure I'll figure it out by the end of the day. Have some scalps. We'll see how it goes. But thank you everybody for being on the live. I do appreciate you guys for being here, hanging out. Should have got short today. That's kind of the answer, right? That's the answer. Should have got short today. Didn't take the trade. That's okay. We'll get them next time. Okay, thank you everybody for being here. I appreciate you supporting the channel, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. On the come